rock and come in. Baby, oh, baby, me say rock and come in.
Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name's Whitney and I'm here to provide you with natural hair content. So today I'm going to be doing mini twist and I am going to be using the Melanin Twist-Elongating Style Cream. So I don't have much left, but it is enough for me to do my whole head for mini twist. Plus I'll be using the oil. So I'm going to be kind of using like a LCO method, and I'm going to be using water so as my L. And I am also going to be using edge control to slick the edges, or the roots I should say, of my twist. Now the reason why I'm going to be using two different ones is because this one doesn't have much left in it, so I'm going to finish this off and I will continue with this edge control that I have. So this is the True Edge Controller in the flavor or scent of pineapple, and this is, I can't remember what it's called, but it is from a hairdresser that I usually go to when I do my braids. So like if I do protective styles, I usually go to this hairdresser. Her name is Steph Odia, and she also has a edge control that you can buy from her. If you would like to see how my results come out, please keep watching. All right, y'all, so I've pretty much done half of my head. I am doing my twist around this big. As they dry, they will get bigger. So like my first twist and some of the other twists towards the bottom, they are poofing up, and the twists are pretty small towards the top, most likely because I used the edge control at the root of my hair. And basically as the days go on, my twist will kind of, I guess, expand. But I did do it off camera because it is much easier to do it in front of the mirror for the back of my head, so I can see what I'm doing, especially because I'm parting each section. So yeah, I'm basically going to apply the product, the oil, and then I'm going to section it off into smaller sections and basically do my twist like that. So for the front section, I usually part my hair just like this rather than the other way. So like I'm doing it horizontally, I guess you could say, rather than vertically. And basically I'm probably going to make this section into like 2 or 3 twists, and I will work my way up to the top of my head. So I'm probably gonna repart this because I don't want it to be too much of a curve in it. I want it to be kind of straight. And for the twist more towards the back, I will be twisting it towards the back. It doesn't really make sense how I'm saying it, but as I do it, you guys will see. So I'm just gonna listen to music and go through this front half of my head until I am done. Alright y'all, so I'm back and these are my results. It took me about 3 hours to do my whole head, and I did try to do a bit of a side part like I would normally do with my wash and go. So let me know what you think down below. I will probably keep these in for about a week and a half or so, depending on how well they hold. Now, my parting is not perfect. As days go on, basically you probably won't see the parts too much in the back because my twists are gonna get a little thicker, or they're gonna look a little thicker. They're gonna expand because they are dry, and that's what happens when my hair just dries in general. So yeah, let me know if you have done mini twists, how long it takes you to do your mini twists, and how long you usually keep them in for. I do tend to refresh usually just the front area of my hair for my twist, maybe like I would say 3 to 4 times during the week and a half to 2 weeks that I usually keep them in. So the last time that I've done mini twists was maybe over a year ago, and my hair has grown a lot more. They are a lot longer, but I do know that they are going to shrink up as they begin to dry. Like in the back, they've already started to shrink up a bit. I did use, like I said, the Melanin elongating Twist-Elongating style cream. I have like maybe not much left. I won't have enough to do anything with this, so this is pretty much done. And I basically use the oil to lock in the moisture, and because this product is actually really good, like one of my favorite products, this will last me, like my moisture will be there until I decide to take out my twist. So I did finish the edge control that I had, and I continued with basically one quadrant of my head with this edge control. So I also would apply the the curl cream or whatever on my ends, so that when I was twisting, when they felt like they were dry or looked dry, I would just apply that to the end, so that way it's nice all the way down and there's no frizz like halfway through. So let me know what you think once again. Also, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. It is free, and I'll see y'all in my next one later.